Number 1. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,995, dependable and classic pickup truck, well suited for a variety of everyday tasks. With 177,000 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a timeless and practical look. Known as a reliable work truck, it is built tough and ready for immediate use, making it ideal for DIY projects, hauling, dump runs, or daily chores. Its versatility makes it a solid choice for both personal and light-duty work needs. The iconic 1990s GMT 400 body style not only adds to its classic appeal but also ensures ease of maintenance, making it a practical option for those who appreciate durability and simplicity. Number 2. 1993 Ford F250, price $10,000, with a 7.3L non-turbo diesel engine and automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on diesel fuel. Key components that have been replaced include the injectors, fuel tank, fuel pump, and sending unit, with an additional secondary fuel tank ready for installation. The engine has been refreshed with new valve cover gaskets, a cam sensor, and a throttle cable along with a throttle position sensor. Starting and electrical systems have also been updated with a new starter, solenoid, and neutral safety switch. The truck's driving and handling systems have been improved with a new steering box, power steering line, and a complete brake system overhaul. Additional replacements include the exhaust system, fan motor, wiper motor, washer pump and reservoir, and a brake pedal switch. Interior and exterior updates include a passenger side window motor, door handle and cable. The cooling system has been serviced with a coolant flush, fresh fluid, and a new radiator cap. Number 3. 1997 Ford F150, price $7,350, presented as a well-maintained and reliable truck with approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. The truck stands out with its striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, both of which have been kept in excellent condition. It has been upgraded with new tires and rims, enhancing both performance and appearance. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with a CD player and Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience. Overall, the truck is described as being in great condition with no issues, showcasing a clean interior and a well-preserved paint finish. Number 4. 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,500. Running and driving truck with 254,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It features a green exterior paired with a black interior, offering a solid and functional setup for daily use or light-duty work. The truck comes with a clean North Carolina title, and its AC, heating system, and 4WD are all in working condition. While it is operational, it currently needs a wheel alignment and a new battery. Additionally, the ABS, brake, and airbag warning lights are on. The vehicle has been repainted, likely in its current green color, although the original color is unknown. Rust is minimal and limited to areas beneath the bedliner. It has also received some recent updates, including new front struts and a custom interior, adding both comfort and improved driving stability. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet S10, price $8,800, presented in good overall condition, offering a solid combination of reliability and classic styling. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience. The vehicle has covered 86,000 miles and runs on gasoline, reflecting relatively low usage for its age. This S10 features a red exterior complemented by a gray interior, both of which have been well cared for. The paint remains very shiny, adding to its visual appeal, while the interior maintains a clean and comfortable look. It is also equipped with air conditioning, enhancing comfort during daily driving. Number 6. 1995 Ford F150, price $8,500, being offered with a clean title and is reported to run and drive well. This truck has accumulated 365,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, and a 4-wheel drive system, making it suitable for a variety of driving conditions. It features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, maintaining a classic and timeless look. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.0L V8 engine known for its durability and strong performance. The vehicle also includes a long bed for added utility, along with a cold air conditioning system that enhances comfort. With its strong running engine and iconic old body-style Ford design, this F-150 represents a reliable and classic pickup option. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,999. The truck is presented in good condition, showing only minor rust and no known issues. It has been driven approximately 185,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a distinctive red interior, and it runs on gasoline. This vehicle includes functional heat, air conditioning, radio, and cruise control, offering a comfortable driving experience. The owner has maintained thorough records of all work performed on the truck, with receipts dating back to 1994. All maintenance and repairs have been consistently handled by 1011 Auto in Moorhead during the current ownership. The truck will be professionally cleaned prior to sale. Please note that the toolbox is not included. Number 8. 1982 Ford F100, price $4,600. It has traveled approximately 125,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable manual transmission paired with a durable inline-six gasoline engine. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this truck maintains its original character throughout. This vehicle is a fully manual setup with no power brakes, power steering, power windows, or air conditioning, emphasizing its rugged, straightforward design. Known for its strength and dependability, it is described as a truck that can pull a house down. It remains largely original, with recent updates including a new battery, master cylinder, and fuel tank. While there is some minor rust present in the bed and lower cab areas, the frame itself is rust-free and structurally solid, making this truck a strong and dependable candidate for restoration or continued use. Number 9. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has been consistently used as a reliable daily driver, primarily for commuting to work. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a burgundy exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a distinctive vintage look. It has accumulated approximately 212,000 miles on the body. Under the hood, it retains its original 5.7L engine, which was rebuilt in 2016 and has roughly 100,000 miles since the rebuild. The transmission was also rebuilt about a year ago, and both the front and rear brakes were replaced within the same timeframe, contributing to its overall drivability. While the body and interior show signs of age and will require some restoration work, the truck remains mechanically solid. Number 10. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,300, powered by a 4.3L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It has accumulated 276,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The truck features a green exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and practical late 1990s appearance. Despite its high mileage, the vehicle still runs and drives, making it a usable option for daily tasks, light-duty work, or as a restoration project. However, it is described as being in rough condition overall, which suggests visible wear consistent with age and use. The truck will require brake repairs to ensure safe operation, and it may benefit from additional maintenance or cosmetic attention depending on the buyer's expectations.